Okay guys, here's your brand new bar sealer. So first we'll go over the controls of how to power it up and energize certain things on the machine. Over here's the control box. The red switch is to power the machine on. So 0 is off, 1 is on. The dial to the left controls the temperature for the wire that does the bag sealing. On the right side of the control box, we have a switch that controls the tensioning of the wires. So I'll flip it on here. You'll see a little bit of movement as the pneumatic cylinders tension the wire. So anytime you need to do wire repair, change, Teflon replacement, you want to power that down, and you'll need it on to seal to use the machine for sealing. Again, like the shaper, the wire's going to stretch as it gets hot. So that's what the pneumatic tensioning device operates. So we have controls to function the machine. It takes 2 operators. Both buttons must be pushed at the same time. It's going to release once it's started the sealing process. Down below, you'll see E-stops, 1 for each operator. Hit the E-stop, stop the process if you need to. And then you'll need to reset the emergency stop by pulling it back out. Okay, so what we're going to go over now is how to change the sealing wire. First thing you want to do is shut the air off. That'll allow the cylinders to relax. When you loosen it up, you'll be able to, the cylinder will stay in place. So what we're going to do is we're going to take those 4 Delron screws. We're going to loosen them up. You don't have to take them all the way out. This is just a clamp. 2 blocks of copper that are clamping and hanging onto the heating wire. So now we've got those loose. What you want to do is remove the Teflon tape that protects the wire and keeps it from burning and shorting out. So you'll take this off the entire length of the platen. We'll go down to the other end. We'll loosen the Delron screws on the other side. Now you can see that the wire can just be removed. Again, we would take we'll go ahead and do it. We would take the Teflon all the way off. Pull the wire out, it's now out. You're going to reverse the steps to put the wire back in place. Center it on the platen. Cover the entire length of the platen with the Teflon tape. Feed it through each block, clamp them, make sure they're nice and snug, don't need to over tighten them. And when you place the wire and you snug it, you want just light tension on the wire. Clamp them down. When you turn the air back on and you run the machine, it'll automatically tension and stretch the wire and let it relax as it cools. The other thing to be cautious about with the wire setup, for instance, we left this so you can see what's going on here. There's actually a silicone pad, and we'll send you some silicone pad that cushions the wire as it raises up into the platen. This is a no-no to have any surfaces not covered by the Teflon tape. So what would happen here is every time the platen would come down, it would actually burn the silicone. You can see a little bit that going on now. So what you would want to do is put a cap of Teflon tape first over the silicone, And then run your long piece of Teflon covering each end cap so that there's no exposed silicone on the ends. Okay, we're going to show you the actual sealing process. We just brought you over to another machine very similar to the one you'll be receiving, just to show you what kind of our setup and how we process. So we have a rectangular tape that is butted right up against the machine to support the panel as we're working. So we use seafoam plastic, so we've got to seal one end of it and then the long end of it as well. So we get the panel all the way up against the machine as close as we can. Most operators need to hit the cycle button. And that's one seal. Rotate the panel. In all the way up against the machine, flat, and both operators need to hit the go button. And that's a sealed bag. Tape up your ends, however you guys will deal with the leftover material. You can seal it off, you can tape it over, leave that up to you. That's it.